What's up mga Garialtol? Good morning. I'm here at Hillsboro Point Subdivision by Pueblo de Oro, Upper Carmen at the back of Xavier Grade School and Xavier High School, Cagayan de Oro City. This is prime lot only for sale. Lot details, lot area 328 square meter, type reads lot with a breathtaking mountain view. Frontage wide 17.72 meters. Peaceful neighborhood. Price 19,000 pesos per square meter. Assume price 3 million. Remaining balance 3.2 million. This is your chance to own a premium lot in highly recommendation. Perfect for your building your dream home in a quiet place and secure community. Don't miss out. Message us today. Don't forget to like and share this video. I'm Albert Coyos, licensed real estate salesperson. Good morning and thank you.